Hi there and welcome to Kapow Learning. And today we're looking at place value. We're going to look at words, turning from words to digits, which is numbers. This is part 2 because it's harder. So these numbers are a bit more difficult, okay? So like I always say, play it, pause it, think about the answer, try to write the answer, press play. So here we go. In words, we've got 40,205. 40,205. Think about that. Pause this, try to answer it, and see if you have written the same digits or numbers that I have. So here we go. We should be looking at the 10,000s and the thousands. So you should have put a 4 in the 10,000, a 0 in the thousands. But it says 200. So we should be looking at the hundreds. And we should be putting a 2 in there. Now we have a 5, so we've got no 10s now. So we should be putting a 5 there. So you should have had 40205, 40,205. Here's another one, 20,401. 20,401. So think about that, pause it, try to write that down, the digits or numbers that you think are correct, and then press play. Right, here we go. So 20,000, you should be looking at the 10,000s and thousands. Well, if it's 2 in the 10,000s, because there's 20 and 0 in the thousands, we need to look at the hundreds next because it says 400, so we put a 4 in there. But we have a 1, so we put a 0 in the 10s, and for the ones, we put a 1. So you should have 20401, which is 20,401. Here's another one, 80,312. 80,312. So think about this, pause it, try to answer, and then press play. So we should be looking at the thousands here, 80,000. So we should put 8 in the 10,000s because there's 80. That means a 0 in the thousands. We should be looking at hundreds next because it says 300. So we put a 3 in there. This time we have a 12. So we need to look now at the 10s and the 1s. So we put a 1 in the 10s and a 2 in the 1s, which gives us 12. So you should have had 80312, which is 80,312. Here's another one, 90,725. 90,725. Think about this, pause, and then press play when you've written your answer to see if you got it correct. So we should be looking at the thousands here, the 10,000s and the thousands. 90,000 means we should put a 9 in the 10s, a 0 in the thousands. We've got 700. So we put a 7 in there. This time we have 25. So we need to now be looking at, yes, the 10s and the 1s. So we should be putting a 2 in the 10s for 20 and a 5 in the 1s, which is 25. So you should have had 90725, which is 90,725. That is and was place value, going from writing words to digits and numbers, which is part 2, which is much harder. Thank you for watching Kapow Learning.